Thanks for tuning in. It's December, the festive season, last episode of the year. Christmas carols are playing, but right now, it's DevTV. Welcome to DevTV on the sea. I'm your host Dan Young, and this is our final episode of 2017. We have some ripper content for you today. I'm going to be announcing the winners of XDHax 2017. 4 categories, 4 winners, exciting stuff. We're going to have Yasmine and Adam back after 2 months off. They have some amazing updates they want to share with you on the API. And also, I'll announce the 2017 Developer of the Year. Uh-oh, can we even make it back to land? Okay, so now we're going to announce the winners of the Xero Developer Challenge called XDHax for 2017. Let's see who we have here. Now, category Best New App. And the winner is Curve! Fantastic! They built an innovative solution for tracking expenses through card spending that's becoming increasingly popular in the UK. It's mobile only, the UX is super slick. While there are loads of complex tasks happening behind the scenes, Curve kept the experience simple and intuitive for end users. Congratulations on the big win. Second category of the competition, Best Enhancement to an Integration. Let's see who's the lucky winner. Accelerate, a long-time partner in the CRM space. Based on customer feedback, they leveled up their integration with improved account management dashboard, easier data enrichment, and the ability to create Xero invoices within Accelerate. What really knocked our socks off though was the clever solution for emailing quotes from Xero to Accelerate until we get a proper quotes endpoint built. Ooh. Congratulations, Accelerate. Okay, third category of the competition, Best Open Source Project. Now, the winner of that is Andrew Cantino. He's based in California. We loved seeing a Xero agent built for the open source connector platform Huggin. It offers a starting point for Xero developers wanting to build custom integration workflows for accountants and small businesses. The best part is it's open and extendable. Awesome. And final category, most innovative use of the Xero API. Let's take a look. The winner is Tax Optimizer, Mark O'Grady. Lots of engagement from him on the Slack channel, if I remember rightly. So the judges found that Tax Optimizer's use of Xero data to analyze tax liabilities and identify ways to reduce taxes or claim tax credits not only was innovative, but quite useful for small business owners. So congratulations, Mark O'Grady, on your product, Tax Optimizer. Good man, and congratulations to all of the winners. You were all awesome, and everyone who participated, we sent out some swag to them. So thanks everyone for participating in XDHax, and we'll see you next year. So what an epic 3 months it's been up until October 16. It's been really exciting seeing all of the apps that have been submitted, all the people participating. A Slack channel was off the chain. It was really, really awesome. So thanks a lot to our sponsors, AWS. They've been really great, basically enabling us to do this. It's been awesome. So 2 months off. I have no doubt you've been missing Yasmine and Adam. They're here now to update you on the latest releases. Cue Adam and Yasmine.
Hello everybody, Hello everybody, long time no see. I know you missed us, and we missed you too. Isn't that true, Adam?
Of course it is. We've got so many good updates to give this episode. Starting with the accounting API, we've dropped support for multi-period reports, meaning you can now get 12 periods of balances for your profit and loss and balance sheets in a single API call, which is great for speeding up your integration and staying within your rate limits. We've also added support for Canadian sales tax, so you'll see a new is non-recoverable element on those tax rates, so look out for those. And we're beefing up our support for foreign currencies, so you can now add currencies, add foreign currency bank accounts, and set up your foreign currency conversions when you're opening a new org.
Cool. But let's move on to the biggest news of the month, webhooks. We delivered invoice webhooks last week, and we're already delivering heaps of events and getting feedback. One recurring question is that if an invoice gets paid, does it trigger a webhook? And the answer is yes, you will get a notification. We know that webhooks will be useful for other accounting endpoints, so we encourage you to go to the user voice and log your requests to help us prioritize them.
Cool, nice one, Yasmine. Webhooks, awesome. I've also been hearing a lot about TLS recently. What's happening over there?
Yeah, it's a lot of scary talk about TLS 1.0 and how insecure it is. We want you to know that the Xero API supports TLS 1.2, and we encourage you to update your code, especially if you want to be PCI compliant.
So what else have you got coming up in the chamber?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. OAuth 2. We're excited about it, and we're gonna start working on it at the beginning of next year. We're gonna have to deprecate OAuth 1 away at a certain point, but don't worry, we're gonna work with you to make the move seamless.
Awesome, and lots of other cool stuff coming up next year, including the other big user voice ask, which is emailing sales invoices. Look out for that early in the year. And a bunch of new APIs for Xero expenses, Xero projects, and payroll support for the UK and New Zealand. Lots of cool stuff coming up. Stay tuned.
Cool. That's all from us. Back to you, Dan.
Wow, epic release desk update. The teams are killing it. The whole of 2017, what an exciting year, and even more exciting 2018. So we've got a little initiative going on where we're celebrating the community contributions that our developers have made to our SDKs. You know who you are. But as a present to all of you, we're going to be sending out some swag to say thank you for your efforts. Without you guys, we wouldn't, be the ecosystem that we are. So thank you very much for that. So we're breaking the rules a little bit here. We've gone a little bit too far out. May get a few demerit points on this one, or we may not actually be able to get back to land. Anyway, every year we announce our Xero API Developer of the Year. This person, pretty hard to track down, but when we did, he was a bit camera shy, so he's not here for us to present the trophy to him in person. But please join me in congratulating Michael Kalsenai for winning Xero's Developer of the Year. So, Mickey C was the guy who built our PHP wrapper. Now, he used an object-oriented approach, which is pretty awesome, with an ORM abstraction, whatever that means. And he also found the time to generate some Swagger files off our API docs. So awesome effort. For the last 3 years, he's been managing community contributions. It's been forked over 100 times. So congratulations, Michael. You are the man. We have some friends out on the water today. How are you, ladies? Pretty good. All right. That's all we've got time for in 2017. We'll be back in January or February time. We'll actually have the winners of XDHax on the show. Couldn't pin them down for interviews this side of Christmas, unfortunately, but you will find out how awesome their app is and why they won. So cool. Till then, like, share, subscribe, tell your parents, whatever you need to do. Say hi to your motherboard for me. Ho, 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 and have a Merry Christmas. The bombers up on the plank, flexing their muscles. Let's all go. This is Wellington on a good day, you know what I'm saying? I bet everyone wants to move here and work at HQ. I would. See? Rod's not the only one who thinks that. Come and work for me.